Welcome to UFIT's On-Demand Studio. So what is an on-demand studio? The On-Demand Studio is a self-service recording facility that you can schedule on your own time. Plus, it's a free service for all staff and faculty. The On-Demand Studio is located in the Hub. You know, the building with the Chick-fil-A and the Starbucks on Stadium Road. When you get here, just head upstairs and find room 225. So, how does it work? Step 1. When you enter the room, head over to this PC and insert your personal flash drive into the USB recording dock. If you want to use a PowerPoint in your video, then you can log onto the computer to download your files so that you can pull them up on the TV for your presentation. Step 2. Turn off the overhead lights and turn on the studio lights using the flip switches by the door. Step 3. Using the tablet on the wall, configure your desired recording methods. And then press the recording button to begin. With our remote control camera, you can easily adjust your shots. In terms of backgrounds, you can either film yourself in front of the neutral gray background wall, or you can use our motorized green screen if you want to use a virtual environment. You'll want to stop the screen before it touches the floor, just so that it doesn't bunch up on the ground. When you finish recording, use the tablet to press the stop button, and then the system will download your video file onto your USB drive. The video file is easy to edit or upload for streaming. The On-Demand Studio also features a professional podcast booth for recording up to 2 speakers. It also features a screen capture booth for recording professional audio content. If you need advice on what to do with your recording after you've finished, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be happy to offer you with a consultation and a list of options. You can access the calendar at any time using the link on the screen so that you can reserve your session. Our team will be available for orientation or to answer any questions you have during your session. When you're ready to get started recording in the On-Demand Studio, just use the contact information on the screen.